Well, I told you guys my wife got a new Jeep. So this is what she does for a hobby now. She pulls over on the side of the road and takes photos of her Jeep everywhere. So now we're down by a river. We're trying to go somewhere and get somewhere at a certain time, but this is what we're doing now. We're looking at a river, taking photos of her Jeep everywhere we go. So everybody, let's admire Cassandra and her Jeep with her new rims on. You guys may have seen me install these inside the garage. Harley, yes, my dog's wearing a sweater. Please don't go in the water, Harley. There she is, taking a different angle. She's so mean to me, but look at the angle. She's all happy with her Jeep. I just think it's a yellow brick on wheels. But what do you say when I say your Jeep's a brick? Exactly. Oh, so here we are. Look at she's coming all the way back to get a wide angle.
Honey, stop.
Let's see the photos that she's taking. What angle are you taking?
Go away.
Oh, look at that angle. She knows how to get a good photo. Well, let's see where we pull over next, everybody. Hold on. Maybe she's going to take a couple more angles. Oh. Down here like this. Alright guys, let's go to the next spot to get some different photos apparently. Charlie, come on, you ready to go? You ready to go? Come on. You're not allowed in the water because it's cold. You ready? I know, up. Oh! Well, let's go guys. So, another thing that makes me the same as the dog, I have to sit on a blanket because I have dirty pants. The dog has to sit on a blanket because she's got dirty feet. But the wife, she doesn't have to sit on no blanket. What's going on here? Well, here we are at a different location at Wasaga Beach, taking photos, the sun going down, the Jeep running, Harley over there playing at the beach. What you do with the wife that you're with, right? Look at this, look at the photos she's getting. Everybody look at this Jeep. Look at the photos. So we're driving around and now the wife has found a Jeep with Christmas lights on. Looks like she found a friend. Here we are right at the beach in front again. They were at the main strip now. And look at, she's got her Jeep up for more photos, videos. Collingwood, look at the mountains in the background. Let's see if I can zoom in on it. Don't run me over, woman. Some nice tread there. Not really. Oh, you're just doing that now. Anyway, look at the ski hills over there. Ski hills open. Sounds nice with all the seagulls and everything. Harley, stay here. Oh, she's gonna get out and take some more pictures. Oh, I'm just starting to get hungry. What's for dinner? Oh, here we go, some more photos. At least Harley's enjoying her night. Hey puppy. Hey puppy, come here. Good girl. Well, we've made it far. We made it from over there to right here. She's getting more photos standing in the middle of the road. Look at her getting down right in the middle of the road. She's become one of you Jeep people. I'm more of a dog person. Right, Harley? Harley! What'd you find? What is it? What'd you find? Oh well. She's enjoying taking some photos. I'm wondering what's for dinner still. Yeah. The water's pretty high though. Like really high. Still really is a nice view still. Random piles of ice everywhere. I'm still in my work boots. Oh, she's giving up on the Jeep and taking photos of the dog now. Not as much as your Jeep. You're probably just coming over here to get a different angle. So she's told me now that she wants me to be in a selfie with the Jeep. I do not have a whole lot of interest in this, but they do say happy wife, happy life. So maybe we can make the wife happy. Alright, let's do this. Can I have a frown on my face in this?
What's this thing?
I guess I can't have a frown.
I miss my face.
Do you want the Jeep in it too?
No. You're so mean.
Oh, look at this angle. Crikey, mate, look at the angle she's taking. Poppy. She's much cuter than any Jeep. Right? Go girl. All these people out here taking romantic photos and weirdos taking photos of their Jeep, and I just want to come and listen to the water. Sounds beautiful. Right, Harley? Yes. She's running back to her Jeep to get more photos because the sun has just started setting. Just going over the horizon. So look at her, she's back out there taking more photos. Look at her. I'm over here playing fetch. How many more photos you gonna take? Last one, I've heard that before tonight. I think she's gonna leave me here because I'm making fun of her so much. But that's what love is. It's poking and poking and poking and poking until there's nothing left to poke at. She's done too. She's cold and I think her leg is getting sore. It was a nice night though. But still the question is eluding me. What is for dinner? Well, this is a pretty nice spot. Harley's trying to get in that water like you wouldn't believe, but I really don't want her going in there because it's kind of like Christmas Day and super cold. But look where we are. She's out taking photos of her Jeep, just taking nice little spots along the river, seeing what we can see. Ah, she really likes this Jeep. Beautiful day. And all she wants to do is take photos of her Jeep. Right in the middle. I guess I'm on traffic lookout. Run! Get those photos! Huh? Oh, I guess I'll get out of the photo with you. Run! Trying to get that perfect angle again. Oh, high action angle. Other side of the road angle. She's good. Let's go to the next spot. It is nice though. There's lots of nice scenic areas around us. Look at this beautiful, beautiful view. I convinced her to try to flex her Jeep out a bit. So now she's taking photos of the suspension travel. But look at the view. I told her I was gonna come over here to make sure nobody came around this corner doing like 80 to rear end us, but I'm more interested in this. Take a look at this. This rabbit ran up the wood, did a 90-degree turn and came back. He must have been like trying to cowabunga that or something. But that's really, really nice. She's getting all freaked out. All right, time to go. You gonna take more photos? Is there someone coming? How do you know? Okay. Back up. Back up. Turn that way. Good. Okay, driver. Good. It's a little icy out. We're just driving, trying to find a nice spot to take some more photos, apparently. And it looks like we came across a deer farm. You guys don't know how much I hunt for guys that look like you. What are you doing just sitting there like that? Why don't you ever just come by my tree stand? Look at all the deer here. There is so many. And all they're doing is staring at me. They're like, what are you doing? I was like, I'm filming you guys. You're so quiet. So quiet. Look at the size of that guy. Look at the size of them.
What are they?
They're a type of deer, honey. Or elk. What they are is delicious. Well, here we are back here, taking some more selfies. Selfie! Yeah. You're just jealous of my amazing hair. There you go. Let's get a good angle. Yes, honey. Alright, let's get going, guys, to the next spot. Now been yelled at and told to stay in the Jeep. So there she is outside the Jeep, taking photos with me inside the Jeep. She tells me I'm making fun of her too much outside the Jeep, so look at her. Look at her. Run! 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 Off to the next spot. Well, we're back home, and I guess the adventure of the picture taking with the Jeep is over today. Oh, what I got to do to keep the wife happy. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll see you back here later on, maybe even tomorrow.